We are in the Sully District in the Cub Run watershed at the Flatlick Branch Sewer Rehabilitation Project. Today we are replacing sewer pipes which were installed before some regulatory changes, and so we're using different materials and a larger pipe to accommodate the increased development in the area. This is the first project that Fairfax County has done where we're using crushed glass on site. We're using it as bedding material under pipes, as well as fill material kind of around the pipes. We're expecting to use around 250 tons of crushed glass. And that's important to do because now, instead of just going to the landfill and taking up space, we are reusing it and by repurposing it and crushing it down such that it will be useful instead of just going to the landfill.